Hello guys, in this video I will show you MINIMAX is actually a really popular AI model. Today itself they have released on their X account that they have made their official API open source. So this API you can directly use it to actually code applications, generate images, videos, everything. So this is their official handle, as you can see, MINIMAX official handle. We are delighted to announce that MINIMAX M2.7 is now officially open source, and you can actually find out their API on Hugging Face. They also written this official blog post as well. So this is actually the Hugging Face account right here. You can see almost 260,000 times their model has been downloaded. You can safely download their model directly inside your machine to actually run this. So this is their official blog post. As you see that they have explained, you can directly use it inside Claude Code, this model. So this is completely open source model. They have shown you this actual video. So now to actually use it, the thing is that you can actually go to Hugging Face. This is their official account here, Minimax. If you simply search, there are various spaces out there. Spaces are nothing but applications which are using these models. So you can go to any space out there which is actually using this Minimax AI model. And first of all, you need to sign in with your Hugging Face account. Simply authorize it. So after you ask any question to the AI, it's also available if you Nvidia website. If you go to build.nvidia.com, so you can also get a free API key after you simply log in. So right here also you can get an API key, or you can even go to OpenRouter. These are some of the websites that I'm showing you how to get an API key to use this model for completely free. OpenRouter is a very popular website. From here you create your own API key. For example, I create a API key. Click on create. This gives you a free API key to call this model. So if you go to the model section and simply type this Minimax, you will see this model come right here. So this is actually a fully fledged a series of models which are there. You can also directly chat here also. Click the chat button, and you can also use this model directly as well in the playground section. Just ask any kind of question. As you can see, I have already asked many questions. So this is one website. This is also second website, Nvidia. Here you can even do that. So you can even use their official API as well, platform.minimax.io. Here you can go to it, and here you can even sign up using your Google account. So this is actually a free API for generating coding applications, anything. So once you log in, you can also do that. So it has its own CLI version as well. If you see, they have their own Discord community as well. All these things. You can directly download this through Ollama as well, or directly you want to download this model. You can download this model through Ollama. Simply search for this model, Minimax. The command is simple. Simply run this model locally. Simply copy this command and paste it. So you can also run this model directly as well. or through Claude Code. These are all the commands which are given. So definitely check this out. They have actually made their APIs completely open source. So this is their official platform where you can actually have all these models which are there.